umfana uhlaza kakhulu, uhlaza ngengoma iphinde behlaza nje nangezenzo.
Imbuza neemponde ezo-4.
Imbuza neemponde ezine.
So ithemba nobanda laqasha inkosi emaqoli ilembe siqoke siquba neqiniso selemgaqweni siqole ingane ey'qola iqhawe emphakathini yebo
Mina ngathi wele.
It's very dope dog because obviously dream may come true. We were grateful, sibonga uNkulunkulu, sibonga yonke into nje ukuthi dog we able to do everything dog esenza nje ama. Shout out to Sidestep, shout out to Puma for believing in the Qoilas. Yeah, sabonga kakhulu. Sitting more.
Moment career yakho ubonile ukuthi lapha la impilo yami seyichange lapha.
Permanent job kanangishaya ithathu. Yeah, that's all.
So after that song like you the okay nifike kanjani lapho noSjava ni associate kanjani noSjava uze nifike lapho noSjava.
Yeah.
The rest is history. Mara that's good. That's good. Any advice ongayinikeza i-rapper encane osakhula lapho?
Masiqabule isinqa. I've saying this shit. Masiqabule nje isinqa. Push and rap nkabe yami. Stay in your bedroom studio. Just record.
Ngincenge lezi ngqwele lezi.
Ngebe kwenzele fuck on.
Uzobathola masoni imali.
Bazoza kuwena nigalami into crazy leyo.
So any word of the game to from Amaqwelas or like Cash? Such a vibe, such a vibe. Any upcoming music of this begin EP?
Next week Friday.
Who knew? Who knew?
What featured? Surprise.
I'm not the loudest, I'm the wildest.
Make some noise.
So tell them.
Yo, man. You niggas better subscribe to the Mask Broadcast. This nigga is out here on his Squid Game.
Squid Game is Whoa. Squid Game is Goshen.
Did you see this?
It's Squid Game.
Did you see this?
I'm not going
Bonilla.
to. You see that? I see that.
Watch the Qoilas. I don't know what's in there. So, open it up. Your email will be recorded. Your tickets will be sent to you. Contact this if you do not receive your ticket by 1 August. Oh, good.